With the recent introduction of OpenAI's ChatGPT to the public and having it break the record for the quickest website or app to hit 1 million active users, it's causing a lot of people's small thinking, deteriorating brains, such as myself, to think, oh my god, Google is over. If they can introduce this into Bing, then wow, Google is screwed because this is amazing technology. But no, my friend. Google watches ChatGPT and OpenAI and they laugh. They laugh because ChatGPT is forced to release their product to the public and spend billions of dollars trying to generate all these random requests, really just to learn a small amount of data. Truth is that Google has had their version of ChatGPT for a long time called a Lambda, and the difference is it's just simply not open to the general public because they don't need to release it to the general public. They're Google, okay? Bing's #1 search for terms are Google, Gmail, etc. So they need user data to figure out what people are asking for, what people want. Google knows everything. Almost every small app is hooked up to Firebase, which is owned by Google. So they know all the data that you put into most of your apps, what apps people are downloading. And of course, they have Google, they have Gmail, and they have Google Photos. So all your photos are being analyzed. So they know exactly where you are, what you're doing, what you like to take photos of. They have all your emails, so they know who's emailing you, they know what products you're getting, and they of course have Google, so they know exactly what you're searching and doing on the internet. Google has an infinite amount of information about you and everyone else that they can use to put into this machine to create an AI so advanced that even Google employees believe it's sentient. Now obviously it's not, because that would be fucking stupid, but it just goes to show you how advanced Google's AI could possibly be. Now with the race to create all these different AI programs, Google is always a little behind but above the curve. So for example, Nvidia and Meta both released their text to video generators that they didn't release to the public, but they showed videos of it and showed their demonstration. Google didn't release theirs until a little bit afterwards, but it was much better, okay? You can do your own research on this, go look it up. Their videos just looked better, they were more accurate to the prompt given and just a little bit more advanced. But Google's really been giving us AI technology and machine learning technology for ages now. A lot of tools that you don't even realize are actually powered by machine learning, and if you look at other variants of it, Google does much better. For example, emails. All your emails in Gmail are 100% sorted for you. They're in good categories that are generally pretty accurate. Also, if you go into the Google app and you take a photo of something, it'll tell you what it is. And from my personal experience, Google is by far better than any other version I've seen of this. A lot of other versions are wrong, where Google is right pretty much every single time. And the reason they can get it so accurate and their technologies can be so advanced is simply because they have so much data. Yes, they have great engineers, okay? Google is known for having like the craziest, smartest people in the world. So is Facebook really, but Google is definitely up there as well. But what separates them the most is that they have unlimited data to pull information from. If you can give a machine the most amount of data possible to learn from, it's going to give the best result. And that's why OpenAI really isn't in the competition. What does Microsoft have? Yeah, sure, it has a few different phones, it has most desktop PCs, which now that I think about it, it's kind of a big deal, but I'm not sure how much data they're actually allowed to extrapolate from an operating software that's supposed to be completely localized. But really, the desktop PCs with Windows is kind of fading out. They've got Xbox, as I said, but how much data can that really give someone? And they've got Bing, obviously, but once again, they can drag a lot of data because they have a lot of users, and I'm sure they can get a lot of information. But compared to the information that Google gets and even Meta, it's really insignificant. But either way, guys, that was a really short video. I know I just wanted to talk about that. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, and I'm out. See ya.